Hey there. So, you're interested in a river table, huh? That's awesome. River tables are a real work of art, combining woodwork and metalwork in a unique way. Let me walk you through how we typically make one. First off, we start with selecting a beautiful slab of wood. It could be anything from walnut to oak, or even exotic woods like padauk or zebrawood. This slab will be the centerpiece of the table, so it's gotta be special. Next, we prepare the wood by sanding it down to smooth out any rough spots and bring out its natural beauty. Then comes the fun part, creating the river effect. We carve out a channel down the center of the slab to mimic a river flowing through it. Now, on to the metalwork. We use various metals like steel, aluminum, or even copper to create the sides of the river. These metal edges not only add a sleek and modern look, but also provide stability and support to the table. Once everything is in place, we pour epoxy resin into the river channel. This resin can be tinted to any color you like, from crystal clear to deep blue or emerald green. As the resin cures, it creates a smooth, glass-like surface that adds depth and dimension to the table. After everything is dried and set, we give the table a final sanding and polish to bring out its shine. And there you have it, a stunning river table that's sure to be the centerpiece of any room. Each river table we make is unique, with its own character and charm. It's a labor of love, combining traditional woodworking techniques with modern metalworking craftsmanship. So if you're looking for a one-of-a-kind piece of furniture that's as beautiful as it is functional, a river table might just be the perfect choice for you.